Do you want to turn your still photos into something more dynamic? Maybe even bring them to life? In this video, I'll show you how to animate a photo in Canva and create an eye-catching video in just a few simple steps. Start by opening Canva and creating a new video design. Then upload the photo you'd like to animate and place it on your canvas. Once the photo is ready, tap on the Edit Photo option at the top. On the left side, you'll see Magic Studio, and inside that menu, look for the Magic Grab tool. Click on Magic Grab, and Canva will quickly analyze your photo. You'll now want to select the subject or object you'd like to cut out. For example, a person or item in the photo. Once it's selected, click the Grab button on the left side. Canva will now separate your image into two layers, the subject and the background. Now comes the fun part, adding animation. First, click on the subject layer, then tap on Animate at the top. Scroll through the options and choose the Breathe effect. Adjust the scale slider to control the intensity. A smaller value creates a subtle effect, while a larger value makes it more dramatic. Next, select the background layer and apply the same breathe animation, but this time, choose the In option. This will make the subject appear as if it's moving slightly outward, while the background gently breathes inward, giving the whole photo a natural, dynamic look. When you're happy with the result, preview your animation and make any small tweaks if needed. Finally, export your design as a video and you're done. Try experimenting with different animations and intensity levels to see what works best for your projects. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Canva tips.